Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. This is Vlogmas Day 2.
So today I'm doing Vlogmas Day 2, and this is also the same time. This is also Vlog 28. This is Sunday today, and guys, yesterday I got my early Christmas present with my mom and my dad. So I love my mom and my dad so much, and this is shout out to them today for this Vlogmas and vlogging this time. And you guys will see why is my camera shaking a lot? Because you guys wondering why my cameras are always shaking. Because I'm gonna buy something for my videos. I'm gonna buy like this SPG, and then it was called it's called Veg On or Veg On. That's what I have the app. I have to put that app on, and then this SPG. It's kind of like a tripod, but not really. But you put the phone inside the thingy over there. There's like buttons to see if you want to put your camera left, right, down, or up, or anywhere else. You also don't have to press the red button from this camera, so you can just like go from another one. But that's really cool. So I'll be staying home today, so I'll review you guys this SPG today to my dad, so I can use it. So make sure you watch it.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Say hi, good morning.
Good
Say good morning, guys.
morning guys.
See?
It's
Is it?
yeah.
Oh, the gamer. It's straight, right? Okay.
Okay guys, so you guys wondering, I'm using my SPG right now. So like I can do this, look. Like look at that. Sorry taking a while. I'm really new to this actually. Yeah, so you can do a lot of stuff. It's kind of like a tripod, but not anymore. It's not like I'm gonna put my phone on the table anymore. So I'm really excited to use this, guys, right now. So I am just watching Purple Banana, and I'm sorry this is like a random video. I'm just showing you guys right now, but yeah, and I love it so much. And thank you, Mom and Dad, for this birthday present. Early birthday present. My next month is my birthday, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna turn 9, and I'm really excited, and I love this. I've been wanting a tripod or anything for my videos to be good, and I'm finally having it. If you guys wondering, a lot of my videos, like when I hold the camera, it's like really shaking. So now it's not really shaking. So I love it so much, and it's kind of like I just love having this so much. I really love this. I wish I can bring it to school, but I can't. You know, it's in the law. You can't do that. And I'm literally watching some stuff. But I'm really excited to have it, and I'm gonna be using this for a few of my Vlogmas. And today I'll be staying home today, so I won't be really going out. So I'm really excited, and I'm really like happy I'm having it. So I'll show you guys what to do with it if you guys are new. Okay. You can do this. Like if you want to, you can show up. And if you want to go more left, I mean, that's a bit. And then there, so you can do that and everything else. And there's a red button, so you press it and then you record just like a normal iPhone or camera. You press the red button and record. But after when you're done, you press the red button over here. You guys can't really see because like I'm literally using it for my phone right now. My phone is pink. You make sure your phone case is off because then it will not fit the SPG inside. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. So yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording lah.
Are you one of those slime people? My name is Bobby, and I'm a
I didn't even notice it, guys.
beautiful, and I love slime. You like slime? Yeah, I like slime too. Oh, cool. Yeah, I have slime. Do you want it? Yeah, let's dive in. Okay, dive in. Whoa, you got a little bit of slime in your face. I know. I'm solid. I'm solid. Okay.
That's so
Better. Yeah. The nip.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and then I'm gonna switch. Show. No. Oh my god! Luckily, I got it. Oh my god! So I am just vlogging normally. I'm just gonna set it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. If you like move your hand, it will turn red. You cannot do that. That scared me so much. This is a blooper. Hashtag blooper. Gone wrong. Okay, guys. So I'm not using my SPG now. I'm just using my normal camera now. So I'll be ending the Vlogmas day 2 now. I'm really sorry this is really like boring for you guys, and I know this is simple editing and stuff, but I still guys hope you guys like the Vlogmas. But I hope you guys like this Vlogmas. Make sure to comment down below what's your favorite part about this vlog/Vlogmas. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are missing, make sure smash that subscribe button. Turn notification, guys, can be notified so you guys don't miss my bills at all. Make sure to follow all my social medias. I'll link down below in the description box so you guys can follow stuff like that. So yeah, bye guys.